Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Telegram download stuck. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you're having the issue, so what you have to do, first thing, you're gonna go to Telegram and you have done a download, started a download here in a particular chat. And if it's stopping in midway or getting stuck, so first thing, you're gonna download it, like you're gonna re-tap on it and make the download go again. For example, when we go to this, let's say this is the page, and if I have like some video files over here that I've been downloading, you're gonna re-tap on the download. Or you can do is check out the internet connection, because if your internet connection is not good, that could also cause the issue. Or if you have too many files that you have added for download, so that can also make it slower. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna give each being downloaded, like for example, if you have 10 files, so you're not gonna tap on download all of the 10 files. You're gonna download one first, and when the one is completed, then the next. That's how it will not be stuck in between, in the middle, and will go thoroughly. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.